What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Lark Moments here. So today andito tayo sa Ford Ranger natin sa pickup truck, and nadiskarga na naman yung battery niya for the end time. So we decided to purchase this jump starter from 70 MAI or 70 MAI. Yan. We got this from Lazada the other day, and we are here to test this unit, this gadget, and yun, sana umubra, no? Malaman din natin kung palyado na talaga yung battery natin. Kasi the other day we tried to series the battery with the other vehicle, and napaandar naman natin yung sasakyan, but overnight lang, the following day diskargado na naman. So malamang sa malamang yung battery, or baka alternator, or I don't know, we are yet to find out, no? But right now we just wanna test this thing and see what it's about, no? Samahan nyo ako. I'll show you. Well, actually, let me show you now na talagang diskargado yung sasakyan. Alright, here we go. Yan. So, susi, wala. Deads na deads. Kusina, wala. Crank, wala. Okay, so buksan natin. Let's pop the hood and set up natin to and see how it works. Okay? Okay, so let's go pop the hood and buksan natin yung makina. Alright. Sandali, ipapato ko lang. Ayan. Bali, ang battery natin is Energizer EFB LN3. Okay. As per the indicator, it looks like this needs to be charged. So yeah, green if it's okay, black if it's charged, if it needs to be charged, and white if it's due for replacement na. As per here, this used to be green, pero ngayon it's black, no? So again, subukan na natin tong jump starter natin. What's in the box? So kapag binili nyo to, aside from the unit itself, meron siyang kasamang carrying pouch, no? So ayan. Okay. And inside the carrying pouch is of course itong connector na to. Ito yung i-connect natin sa battery. This is the negative, the positive, and of course ito yung i-plug natin dito sa power bank. By the way, this also serves as power bank. It's got 11,100 milliamperes. Okay. And what else do we have here? Well, we have the manual, and we have the USB port, the USB cable na pan-charge niya. Okay. Upon purchasing this, it's got 3 bars of factory charge, no? Yan. So ngayon 4 bars siya kasi chinarge natin siya. We tried to use it sa cellphone, and of course it serves the purpose. Pero ngayon subukan na natin siya dito sa sasakyan. Okay? So samahan niyo ako. Ilapag ko lang muna to. Okay? I'll put it right here. Okay? And then we connect this with this one. Yan. Okay? By the way, dito sa attachment na to, you'll see boost, correct, and reverse. So reverse light indicator
tells us kapag baliktad yung pagkakakonect natin ito sa battery. Okay? And then correct light indicator, of course, kapag tama naman yung pagkakakonect natin, positive on positive, negative on negative, yan ang iilaw dapat. Magbiblink siya. And then boost, ginagamit natin to kapag sobrang drain ng battery. Okay? So, yung correct light indicator na magbiblink ng green, it will mag-i-steady green siya dapat. Okay? And then within 30 seconds, itatry na natin i-start yung sasakyan. But in this case, sobrang deads ng battery. So, we'll see kung makukuha natin siya on first attempt, no? So, yun, panoorin nyo. Okay. So, yan. Positive is dito. So, may indicator. Ayan, positive. And then, this one, of course, is the negative. Sabi nila, mas maganda raw na i-connect natin yung negative sa ground ng sasakyan. Kaso, maiksi lang yung cord eh. Yung cable niya maiksi lang. So, I don't think we'll be able to do that. So we'll just tap it here, no? Dito din sa negative terminal ng battery. Okay? Ayan. So umilaw na yung correct. So meaning tama yung connect natin with the terminals. So nagbi-blink siya, right? And of course, this shows the 4 bars. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna press the push button. Yan, steady green. Okay? So tingnan natin ngayon sa loob. Okay, so kita nyo, umilaw na siya. Yan, umilaw na siya. Okay? But let's see kung kakayanin, no? Ayan. Medyo mahina. Nagka-crank na siya pero hindi pa rin kaya. So babalik siya sa pag-blink, no? So what we're gonna do is try to boost it again. Okay. So within 30 seconds. Let's wait for about 20-25 seconds. Yan. Okay. So, try ulit natin. Second time around. Okay. Oops. Matay. So, within 30 seconds lang talaga. Ayan. Bilisan natin ng konti. So, boost. Ayan. So, 15 seconds has gone by. So, second attempt. Yun. Works. Okay. So what we do next, of course, disconnect na natin to. Tanggalin muna natin yung negative. Okay. Yeah. And then tanggalin natin yung positive. Alright. So, yan. Gumamit siya ng 1 bar. So as you can see, 3 bars na lang. Kasi nga, malaki yung kinain niyang karga na itong jump starter natin. But as you can see, it works, no? And that's a good thing. Well, hintayin muna natin. Paandarin lang muna natin yung sasakyan for a while, no? And of course, to prevent this from happening again, just have to make sure na wala tayong mga naiiwan na nakabukas like ilaw, or in other cases, in some cases, yung mga dashcam na nakarekta sa battery kahit napatay na yung sasakyan, gumagana pa rin yung dashcam. Especially if hindi gagamitin yung sasakyan for certain period of time, for long period of time, kailangan nating painitin yung sasakyan kahit paano para lang make sure na hindi ma-discarga yung battery. We will continue to observe, see if it's really the battery na palyado na, palitin na. But we'll try to also bring this to Energizer store, maybe have the battery check or charge kung kailangan. Hopefully hindi pa palitin. We acquired this battery about over a year ago already, and see kung doon na rin siya for replacement. Alright, once again, this has been Lark Moments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.